Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix the EAFC24 drop in matches not working. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is to turn off the crossplay. To start addressing the crossplay issue, follow these simple steps. So go to the EA Sports FC24 settings, navigate to the online settings and select the matchmaking options. Switch from yes to no for approximate location matchmaking and crossplay enabled. Disabling the crossplay can help resolve any compatibility issues that may be causing the drop in matches problem. By restricting matchmaking to players on the same platform, you can reduce the chances of experiencing connection problems. Next is to join a club. If disabling crossplay doesn't solve the issue, you can bypass it by joining a random club. So search for available clubs within the game and join a club that suits your preferences. Next is to disable the field teammates. If you're experiencing problems with field teammates, try this workaround. Invite a friend to join your session. Disable the field teammate options because disabling the field teammates option ensures that you're playing with a full team of real players instead of AI controlled teammates. Next is to reset in-game characters appearance. Okay, so you will then just have to click on this one. So sometimes resetting your character's appearance can resolve certain issues. Follow the steps provided by the u/marmot8. Okay, so set the in-game character's appearance to default. Now, check your internet connection and server status. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that the game servers are functioning properly by following these steps. Restart your router, reconnect it to your console or PC, visit the official EA Sports FC Direct Communication Twitter handle for updates and server status. Or you could use a wired connection or the Ethernet. Using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi can significantly improve the performance. If possible, then follow these steps. Just connect your console or PC directly to the modem or router using an Ethernet cable. This will ensure faster speed and minimal interference. Now, is to optimize your Wi-Fi connection if wired connection is not possible. If you cannot use an Ethernet connection, try these steps to optimize your Wi-Fi. Remove all the other devices from the Wi-Fi network. Keep only the one running the game connected. When multiple devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it can cause congestion and affect the overall performance of your gaming experience. So by eliminating the number of connected devices, you can prioritize the bandwidth for your gaming console or PC, reducing the chances of drop in matchmaking not working. Okay, so if you want to review all of the steps, you can visit this website. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.